Hey you guys, welcome back. So I just walked into Dollar Tree and the first thing that I see are these wishing jars. I thought those were kind of cute. It says add your wishes or messages to your wish jar, and it has a little tag on the side. It says it on the top and on the tag. That's cute. And they all say the same thing right there. Up here they have the little things that I just showed you in my last video, with the apple, the mermaids, the heart, and the unicorn, and the pineapple one that says pina colada. And they also have these, the good vibes, be a mermaid, and adventure waits. Over here I see some of the new little Cactus Decor. I think it was 99-cent store that had these, but they were a little bit bigger. These are cute though. They're small, on the smaller side, but it's home, kiss me, love, and welcome. And then they're restocking all their succulents right now, and they do have the clips like that. I have a bunch of different ones. I see some new little candle jars. These are by, it says Everything Home, the candle collection. You are amazing, why not? And I don't think they have a specific fragrance, but it's just the jars are, you know, for decor. So why not? Cozy vibes, happy heart, and enjoy every moment. And then right below that, you got these in these really pretty jars. Look at that. Or containers, I should say. Sea Salt Breeze. And these are soy candles. Seaside Dreams. Ocean Tide. I like that one. And Coastal Sunset. I'm going to open them and see what they smell like. But first, let me see. I think this is new too. Blue Sea Salt. And this is an old Williamsburg candle. Oh, they got a sweet cherry. Okay, and there's the other ones I just recently showed you, the Happily Ever After. Okay, they all had the same like fragrance. I didn't see or catch a note that was any different than the other, besides this one. The Ocean Tide had more of a, like a clean smell to it, like, I don't know, like fresh linen, that kind of fragrance. The rest just had a, like a vanilla type of a scent to them. I'm not too sure, but they're nice. I like the containers. Oh my goodness, look at these. If Pooh Bear knew that they had these, he would want these so bad. These are the Fortnight Series 1 cards. That's kind of cool. You get 3 cards in a pack. Oh, look at this. In the toy section they have the glitter coloring sheet, and it's Toy Story 4. They've been having a lot of Toy Story 4 products, and it has the little markers. That's cool. The background is like a gold glitter. And then I also see Fancy Nancy. That's cute. Over here in the snack section, I usually see this True Blue Old Fashioned ginger flavored snaps. This is my first time seeing them in this bag. I think they're the same, but it's just different packaging. I'm not sure. Oh, look at these. Island Choice Mandarin Orange Cups in light syrup. 3 on-the-go fruit cups. They just look like that. These are good for like the kids' lunch or just a snack or whatever. Let's see, 3 3-ounce cups. Okay, you guys, that's going to be it for today's Dollar Tree run. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next one. Okay, bye. Ooh, I used to love these. But mine used to come in a little satchel, like the little, you know what I mean? The little cream color satchel. That's cool.